everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia and you are welcome. Guys, we recently renovated our kitchen on a super tiny budget and I will take you through the process. We have been here for over 4 years now, and as you can see from the paint on the walls, they are no longer shiny as they used to be and they are crying for a makeover. Being a season whereby we spend wisely, the items used to renovate the kitchen were from Poundland, IKEA and B&Q. And here we have our paint brush, which I got from B&Q, and a plastic protector to protect my kitchen tabletop. Although we bought 1 bucket of Magnolia paint because we had some leftover from painting our kiddos' room, and I'll use this one, and whatever I'll use this one first before opening the new paint bucket. Okay, guys. Let's get started. Hey guys, comment down below. Do you feel a sense of relief and calmness when you renovate where you live by yourself? For me guys, I find renovating where I live by myself, I mean some areas basically like painting, things like that. When I go them by myself, it gives me a kind of calm feeling, you know. Or would you prefer that someone else does it for you? Like I said, it depends on the area, you know. Things like painting, I'm cool with that. Plumbing, electrical things is a no-no for me. Although we bought a new bucket of paint, but we used the leftover. So basically for painting, I will say we spent £0, you know. As I mentioned, it is a kitchen renovation on a tiny budget. Okay guys, this is my first coat all done. I'm going to leave it to dry for 4 hours and then come back and put on a second coat, and then that will be it. And then this side. Okay guys, we are all fully done. I've just tidied up the place, but I haven't put things back into basically where they have to go to. These have to go on top, which I'll do that shortly. This is going to go back on top, and also that. And as you guys can see, the wall is dried, super dried, and the kitchen looks empty. That's because I have to take everything out to do the painting so I don't splash around. Luckily I didn't really splash paint anyhow, and that's that wall back to its beautiful color. We were going to change the cooker top because this one here wasn't working, but all of a sudden it started working, so we'll probably leave it for a while and wait for it to get faulty again. And then on top here I'm going to put my wine stand there. These ones, guys, these boxes, hold on guys, let me put my light. These ones, guys, they were on the wall here, but I'm going to move it somewhere here near the cooker. I'm going to move it somewhere there, so my spice is basically near my cooker when I'm cooking. So basically my portion and my pot is basically nearby, so that I'm happy with. and on top, guys, it's all dried, so I'm going to put my toaster rice cooker back on top there, and basically we're all done. And put a microwave back, of course. Some stencil. Guys, is a beehive water dispenser. My sister gave this to me. My younger sister, who turned 40 a while ago, gave me these, I think about 2 years ago, and I've got the whole other piece in there, tap in there, but for now I use it as a decor in the kitchen. We got these from Wilkerson. She got them from Wilkerson. They had various colors, and guys, I still kept this, you know. This was when I celebrated my 40th birthday a while ago. Okay, let's leave it there. And guys, we painted only the walls of the kitchen. We didn't paint the white ceiling, as the paints there were still shiny white, and currently they don't need a makeover. Being it a small kitchen, we decided to go for similar color, basically bright colors. In my opinion, using bright colors makes tiny spaces bigger and less cluttered. We also did some decluttering off camera, and our aim was to make use of all the spaces properly and without making the kitchen look cluttered. These file racks are from IKEA. They are 2 for £7. You guys saw me, I think I bought them a while ago, and I showed them in one of my videos. I use them to store potatoes and onions and garlic, things like that. And in my opinion, they made the kitchen look spacious and also homely. These racks are made from metals. In my opinion, they are super durable and they do store a lot. I also got this little mortar and pestle. You guys saw it in one of my vlogs. These cost me £10. I use them for things like crushing of garlic, black pepper, things like that. But they are super heavy, so I will say store them wisely to avoid them dropping on your feet, you know. So guys, this is the kitchen all done. And I am quite pleased with the budget used. For the renovation with regards to paint brushes and things like that, I will say we spent less than £100. The only thing that we spent more on were appliances such as the kitchen rack you saw. We also got ourselves another freezer. We got this 99-liter chest freezer from Argos. This cost us, I would say, I think £150. And in my opinion, it does store a lot. And we bought it because we wanted to make use of a space without making the kitchen cluttered, and it fit well. Basically, having a large family, to avoid going shopping frequently, we decided to get another one. So in my opinion, it was a bargain. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.